Good morning, student. Today I am going to start fourth chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. Last year you have done linear equation in one variable. Means any equation is given like this. Suppose it is given 3x plus 5 equal to 7. So variable means x. We have to find the value of x. So how we will solve this? 3x equal to 7 minus 5, 3x equal to 2, or x equal to 2 by 3. In this way we are solving here. Now this here you have linear equation with two variables. Here general equation two variable we will take like this: ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So what is the general equation? General equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real number. A, B, C are the real number and x and y are the variable. Variable means we will have to find the values here. In here we have to find the value of x and y. So this is the general equations. Now we will see the exercise here. Exercise 4.1, question number 1. See question number 1, what is given here? It is given cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Write the linear equation in two variable to represent the statement. What is given here? The cost of notebook. So we will suppose here, let cost of notebook be x. Cost of notebook be x and cost of pen be y. Here we have supposed let the cost of notebook be x and cost of pen be y. Then see what is the condition given. It is given here cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Cost of notebook की कॉस्ट क्या है? 2 times कॉस्ट ऑफ पेन. तो अपनी कॉस्ट ऑफ नोटबुक है x है और कॉस्ट ऑफ पेन है y. सो गिवन हियर x इक्वल टू 2y और वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस x minus 2y equal to 0. This is a linear equation in two variable. X and y are the variable here. Now next question number 2 we will see. See question number 2, what is given? Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We have to express the linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Indicate the following, the value of a, b, c. We have to find the value of a, b, c. See the first part. It is given here 3x plus 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35. Now here see the question what is given. 2x plus 3y equal to 9.25. We can write like this: 2x plus 3y, bring this here, so it will be minus 9.35 equal to 0. Now compare this equation with this equation. Here coefficient of x is a. Here what is the coefficient of x? Is 2. So means a equal to 2. A equal to 2. Similarly coefficient of y is here b, coefficient of y is here 3, so it means b equal to 3. Now next see here constant terms is c and here it is minus 9.35. Here c is positive, here 3 is minus, so value of c will be minus 9.35. So this will be the answer. We'll do one more. Next is given second part. It is x minus y upon 3 minus 10 equal to 0. X minus 3 upon y equal to 5.10 minus 10. Now compare this equation with this ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So a will be here 1 since the coefficient of x is here 1. Y is minus 1 by 3 and b is here coefficient of y, so b will be minus 1 by 3 and constant term c will be minus 10. So here we'll do another. Here it is given, next part is x equal to 3y, x equal to 3y. Now first we will write in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So here we will write x minus 3y equal to 0. Now compare with this ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Here a is that is coefficient of x is here a, and here it is 1. If terms are not given, 1 is the coefficient. So a is here 1, a is here 1, and coefficient of b is minus 3, and c is given here, but the constant term is not given here. So it will be 0, c will be 0. If terms are constant terms are not given, then it will be 0. We will do another. If it is given 3x plus 2 equal to 0, again we will compare with this equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So a will be 3, c, b, y, but here y is not given. Here y is not given. We can write like this also. 3x plus 0 into y plus 2 equal to 0, like this also. So here b will be 0 and c will be 2. Here y is not given, so we can write 0 into y also in this form. So if we compare here, we will get the value. So here try this question and do it in your copy. Thank you.